Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve question number 16 of JEE Mains 2016 physics paper. So we have solved so far question number 15 and let us start with question number 16. Students, let us solve this question. This is theoretical question. Hysteresis loops of two magnetic materials A and B. There are two different magnetic materials are given. You see, a fat is diagram is fat and is slim here. These materials are used to make magnets. For electric generators, transformer core, and electromagnet. Then it is proper to use. Which one should be used for these purposes, for transformer or electromagnets? Which can be easily magnetized and demagnetized very quickly without uh, losing time. That means its retentivity and corrosivity should be low. So we require low retentivity and low these two factors are required. Retain low values of retentivity and low corrosivity. Here you can see here that this corrosive force is large here. This is large corrosive force. This is very large. We want low, so this is correct answer. But then what is retentivity? Retentivity is the ability of the material to keep or retain magnetism even after the removal of applied magnetic field. After the applied magnetic field stops, then also it keeps its magnetic property, then that is called retentivity. That should be less because we want it to be quickly demagnetized, because if it keeps its magnetic property then it will not be demagnetized. So it should do with very less time should be demagnetized. So it should have low value of retentivity, the ability of the material to keep the magnetism after the removal of external applied field. Low corrosivity means it's the intensity of the applied magnetic field which is responsible for the to help that remove the magnetism. To help remove the magnetism. It is like to surrender the magnetic property. The magnetic field, applied magnetic field, responsible to surrender the magnetism. That is called corrosivity. To persuade the substance to make its magnetism to zero. That is corrosivity. So this is the ability or the intensity of the applied field to make the substance reduce its magnetic field to zero. That is known as corrosivity. It should have low corrosivity and low retentivity. So for this purpose, this one, the B1, this one is correct. This material is correct material because this has the low corrosivity and low retentivity. So that is why this is the correct choice. So B for electromagnetic transformers, so the option number 4 is correct. Okay, thank you.